Hi, I'm Cariaga from Gewrew Yoga, and today I'm going to show you how to do yoga on your SUP.
Start off in child's pose, balasana, with the arms stretched out, hips towards heels, forehead to SUP. Breathe in, hands above your head, stretch high, and then exhale. Reach up again, chin lifts, exhale. One more breath, lifting, inhale, and then releasing, emptying the lungs. Find yourself in a twist, a half bind. Inhaling to lift, switching sides, twisting and exhale. As you come back to a bent knee, fold, extend the arm to the front of your SUP, right shoulder on the inside of the right knee, breathing in, and then bowing, exhale. Hands above your head in prayer, inhale, find balance, come back to center, exhale. Switch sides, reaching up, take an inhale, fold forward onto your SUP, exhale. Neck long, chest grounded, breathing in, twisting, and then breathe out. As you come back to center, inhale again, and then cross the legs, extend the arms forward towards the front of your SUP as you fold, releasing the hips back into the SUP. As you bend the knees, draw the shoulders on the insides of the thighs with the palms facing down, bowing in this posture. A stretch for the ankles, the hamstrings, the lower back. Take the arms further to intensify the stretch. As you take your right leg on the inside of the left thigh, extend both arms to the left foot. Inhale, and then switching sides, exhale. Elbows closer to the SUP, neck long, breathing in, bending the knees, chin to chest, exhale. Cross the legs, palms facing up. Namaste.